welcome to my channel, Dion's TV. Before I start, please make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So today, let's start the video. This video is about connecting your office PC while at your home, so you can work from home. No need for you to go to the office every day. You can still work from home and finish your work. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, we need to go to the Google Chrome. Actually, we need to install the application called TeamViewer. So first, you're gonna type TeamViewer in the Google Chrome. TeamViewer, this one you're gonna install. So there will be different options for PC and Mac. Before it used to give you some option. Now you can just go directly and download. You just need to click download for free. Okay, as you can see down, it's already finished. So I just need to run this one, this TeamViewer setup. So there is some option. The first option is the default installation, custom installation, and run only one-time use. So we will use the default installation. Down you can see company, personal, and both of the above. Since we're using it as free, we will use personal and non-commercial use. If you want to upgrade to business, you can use this company commercial use. For us, we will need only the personal and non-commercial use. Accept and finish. It's already done. Now we need to open the application. Yes, this is the application now. As you can see, there is one message down, ready to connect. This means that your TeamViewer is already online. So you need to have internet access in your office PC or laptop, office desktop, and you need to install this application in your office desktop. Here you can see there is one your ID. This is the one you need to give if you want to connect remotely this computer. Same time as the password. I want to show some option regarding this TeamViewer. There is one option for start TeamViewer with Windows. You have to check this one. So when somebody shut down the PC and somebody on this one, the TeamViewer will start automatic. No need to open manually the TeamViewer. So you have to tick mark this option. And then you go to extras, options, and then you need to put the password. This password, when you close and open the TeamViewer, this one keeps on changing. So in order to avoid that, in order to have access outside the office, you need to put the permanent password. So you need to put the permanent password, any password you want. Then just save it. Then it will put the permanent password for that. So like I will put this permanent password. I make OK. So next time, if I need to connect from home, no need for me to memorize this password. Anytime I can put the permanent password and I can able to connect my PC from the office. So I'm gonna show you how to connect. I have already installed that in my other laptop, and I will show you how to connect this one. This partner ID option, you need to put the partner ID. So this is 568 893 7. Then you just need to put the password. So the password will be this one, but you need to get the password from the other laptop or desktop. So I already know what's the password, so I'm gonna type it. So here it is. So now I'm already connected with my other laptop. I can open anything from the other laptop. I can work Excel, I can work email, I can do the normal work without physically going to the office. So this is very helpful today that we have quarantine. We cannot go to our office. There will be some option for this. If you go actions, you can send control alt delete. You can even disable remote input. This option, if if from your laptop, if somebody is using, you can click this one and they won't be able to use their keyboard. This is a very good option actually. It's very helpful for me. Then you can change the size original. It will be very big. You can make scale. So it's up to you. You can even call, video chat. And this option is switch sides to partners. This option is you can, if you click this one, I'm gonna show you. Okay, this one is not possible since the TeamViewer that installed in my this laptop is not same version. So I'll show you some other options. There will be some chat options as well. So from there also they can check that one. Okay, you can chat. Even you can do the file transfer. There is option also for file transfer. You can take the files and put in your computer. So this is how to use the TeamViewer. So if you have another questions, you can comment down below, and even I can make another video for this if you want some advanced option for the TeamViewer. So thank you for, please subscribe. Thank you.